Welcome back to another video, everybody. Today we are going to show you the walk to Corona Mart and do your hotel review. Stay tuned because at the end of the video we have got a big announcement, a nice surprise for Riley. So come along with us. Welcome back to another video, everybody. We are here in Puerto del Carmen still. I'm going to give you a hotel review today of the Corona Mart where we are staying in the apartments. But first of all, I want to show you the walk behind me. You can see the front. We are just outside the Euroclinic Medical Services, just for reference so you know whereabouts we are. So basically, you just continue up the road along the coast. It's not a far walk. And to be fair, where we are staying is really, really nice, isn't it, Riley? So I'm just going to show you the walk up to the apartments. So yeah, we're going to show you the walk back to the apartments. It's quite close to the beach, to be fair, but out of the way. You've got lots of nice restaurants along the way. Yeah, there's little shops along the way as well. Restaurants, bars. Lots of scenery. And I don't know if you can hear Riley, but lots of birdies as well. Wish you like the birds, don't you? Yes. You're doing... We've had a good day today, haven't we? Shall we show everybody the swimming pool? And you can tell them how much fun you're having it. We're not going to play in it tonight because it's getting cold now. Are you going to touch it and tell them how warm it is? It's a nice little apartment complex, isn't it, Riley? There's not too much there. Yes? You can't hear me? Why can't you hear me? Have you turned your ears off? Yeah. Oh no. You literally walk straight up this road until you reach the casino. You've got a Santander bank along the way as well, which I have got cash out from there, and it was a €7 charge. So it weren't too bad, it was more expensive in the old town. What, darling? We're not going in any more shops tonight.
We already did one shop.
I know, you've had mummy shopping all day long, haven't you? Riley?
We went in one shop.
Have you had mummy shopping all day long? We've been in lots of shops today, haven't we? We've been in more than one. You went in the shop with the volcanic rock. You went in the shop with the gems and the glass doggy. I know, you see more doggies. You've been in the La Playa shop, haven't you? What, La Playa? That's the one where they gave you that flower necklace. Yeah, so we'll turn the camera back around and show them. You want to wear your purple one when you get in? But no, many places along the way. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Lots of nice places to eat and drink. Is it nice and warm? It's not that warm. Come on then. Even up this end it's quite popular to say that there isn't as much of a beach at this point.
I'm thirsty.
We'll get you a drink soon. You've only just had your milkshake. So yeah, we went into this shop here. It's a beautiful shop and it's where we got our volcanic rock. Riley's been obsessed with the volcanoes and the lava and the rock it turns into. So, and obviously it's a very hefty fine if you take any away, because it's affecting the natural resources of the island. So we went into that shop there and we got 4 pieces of volcanic rock and it was only €9.90. So it wasn't bad at all. And it means she's got some to show all her friends at school when she goes back. So, when you get to opposite the casino, there, Gran Canaria, you go up this street, turn at Trafella Restaurant, and you go straight up. Can you come in? What? We don't need to cross over yet. We'll cross over further up here. You don't need to go in a taxi to the apartment. It's only up the road. There is taxis out today, isn't there? Oh, we had a nice walk yesterday, didn't we? One good thing about the location of the Corona Mar is right next door you have a spa shop. So as soon as you arrive, it's open till 10 PM and you can get all your essentials, your bottled water, everything what you may need. It's really handy. We did that the first night and to be fair, it's not too bad prices. We got quite a bit on the first night for €30. So it is worth it. So from where we started, so far we've been walking for about 11 minutes and we're almost there. So it's not far at all from the seafront and we're walking at a slower pace because we've got little legs, haven't we? Hey? You've got little legs. So here is your shop, everybody. We're not going to go in it today, but I will show you just walking past. You can see the size of the shop. It is quite large. And they've got all your essentials in there. Oh look, there's some parakeets in the tree there. Shall we try and zoom in and show everyone? In that tree up there, can you see them, the green ones? Can you see them? They're just on the edge of the leaf. Can you see them? Look, if you look right, look where my finger's pointing. Look, finger. Can you see them just up there? Two little green dots moving. Can you see them? No? And here we are, Corona Mar Apartments. Come on then, little legs. We're going to race up the stairs. When you arrive, if you are out of office hours, there's instructions here. You ring the bell and they will buzz you through. You do get a code for entry and exit when you're here.
Where they get ready go?
Ready, set, go! You've got some apartments on the front here and a lounging area. As you can see, mountains, the volcanoes in the background. Ready, steady, go up the next ones. So you've got quite a few stairs to go up, but I will show you an alternative route if you have mobility issues.
I don't want that way.
Okay. Okay, round this way. You have got seating area and there is reception. Opening hours 9 till 4.
When you go first at one.
Come on then, and we'll show everybody the swimming pools. You can dip your fingers in and tell them how warm it is, but we're not playing. And here is everything else. That's the adult pool. But Riley did come in there with me today. I think as long as they're not unaccompanied, then they're fine. It is obviously not heated, but on a really sunny day, it's nice, isn't it, Riley? Plenty of sunbeds. Then you've got your little pool for the tiny kiddies. That's 1/2 metre in depth. Now in between the apartments, you've got them stairs to go up to get to the ones on top. What with some lovely plants in there, Riley? Are you racing me to our apartment? Okay. And we are nearly at our apartment. We are in... Riley, what number are we in? Number 1. So, on your keys, you have got a key to this back door. Yeah? Now, Riley, just come this way with a minute with me. Now I'm just showing everybody the other way out. So, you come through this door, you have got a ramp to that entrance, which is obviously at the back of the hotel, and you can come in this way because with the same key code, you can gain entry. Go in that way then, darling. So that is an alternative way in, and that will lock itself. So, this is our apartment, isn't it, Riley? Yeah, we've got our swimming stuff out, haven't we, because we've been swimming today. Let me unlock it. So, welcome. Now this is a standard apartment. Nice TV and mirror. Here is where your electrics, and it's just a metal in there, and that will power your electrics. You have cooker, oven. You have got fridge, freezer, hobs, microwave, sink, toaster, kettle, coffee machine, lots of pots and pans. Are you hot?
Yeah.
Dining table. Riley, shall we show everybody the bedroom? Can you go and put the light on for me? Here is the bedroom. Nice and spacious, plenty of room. You have got a big Double wardrobe. Plenty of room. We stood our suitcase up there. You have also got these cupboards, so you've got the safe there. Okay, thank you. Just put it back in the freezer for me. You have an outside area here for hanging washing. Nice breeze coming through there. We've not used that a lot. And then you have the bathroom.
There's still everyone in it.
And shower. It's a good powerful shower. So yeah, we've really liked our apartment, haven't we, Riley? It's been quite nice, it's been spacious, and it's been everything what we needed. But Riley, we've got one last thing to do. Nanny Nuno wants you to phone her because she's got a surprise for you. So come and sit down with me.
I got ice cream.
I know, and you've got ice cream all around your mouth, haven't you? From that chocolate cake and ice cream.
Let's ring it.
Shall we ring Nanny then?
Yes, I'm doing it.
So come and sit next to me then.
I got that next stuff.
Yeah? So let's try and ring her.
Yeah.
And Nanny's got some.
Mommy, look, we can see them.
Yeah.
We can see both of them, yeah.
Hiya.
Hello. Here you go, everyone. Nanny's joining us in Lanzarote. So,
Right.
Riley, Nana's got a surprise for you.
What?
Right, are you ready? You're gonna come on holiday with me and Grandad?
It's what I was with all of us.
You're gonna go on an aeroplane?
What's the best part?
Hang on, let Nana finish.
And guess where to?
Lanzarote.
Near it, Gran Canaria. It's the next. It's on one of the islands. There's Lanzarote, there's Gran Canaria.
Is it a beach there?
Tenerife. You what,
Is
sweetheart?
it a beach there?
Is there a beach there?
Yes. And there's a big fun fair.
A fun fair.
There's a swimming pool.
Fun fair.
A swimming pool?
Fun fair.
But do you want me to tell you the important question?
What?
Ask Nanny, when are you going?
When I going?
30th of June.
So you've got about 6 weeks and then you're going on an aeroplane again. That's not long, is it?
I'm going on lots of flights.
You're flying everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somewhere else. and
So
somewhere
are you excited to go on holiday with Nanny and Grandad?
else. Is it some?
Is it what?
Is it a water park there?
Is,
A water park?
is there a water park there, Nana?
I think they might be.
Yay! So are you super excited now?
Yeah, can you put yourself?
Yeah? Well, shall we say bye to everybody at home?
No, let's keep. I want to talk to Andrew.
Right, well, listen. We'll finish this video here then. Yeah? So if you all want to see the upcoming trip to Gran Canaria with Riley and her Nanny and Grandad, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And then you will know as soon as they go. Won't they?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Open it.
Feel free to subscribe. It's free, just like Facebook. And if you like this video and like the apartments, then please give us a like. Yeah? So shall we say see you on this for this video and we'll see you on another one? Yeah? Say bye then. I don't want your eyes, Lolly. You say bye to everyone. Bye for now.